Guys, I'm sa maganda, and this is my dede, and this is my brush, and she gonna sayaw. Guys, look at Safa, and this is my pencil, and this is bigay kuya, and this is my, do you know this neon ice? I gonna put this neon ice, and this is my Anna, and this is my hello guys, and this is my Sophia bag, and this is my pencil. And do you know this? Do you know, guys? Comment by subscribe, guys, and bye bye.